What if gluons aren't tiny bullets flying through empty space at all, but ripples racing along hidden bridges that stop quarks from tearing the fabric of matter? In the energy filament theory, the strong interaction isn't quarks tossing gluon particles back and forth. It's a tension C enforcing a strict rule that color threads must never open into raw cracks, and gluons are the repair waves that keep those threads from failing. Instead of 3 quarks as marbles in a box, picture 3 pins in a stretched sheet, tied by 3 bright tension bridges in a triangle. That triangle is slightly awkward and high stress, so the sheet constantly sends small waves along each bridge to smooth sharp spikes and fill weak spots. Those waves are the gluons, not force bullets, but anti-tear ripples sliding up and down the color threads. Now imagine trying to pull 2 quarks apart. You're not just separating dots. You're stretching one of those bridges into a long, thin slit in the sheet, like pulling a run in a stocking. The medium doesn't sit there and ask, is the force strong enough to pull them back? It simply refuses to let the slit stay open and rewrites the stitching nearby, snapping that overstretched bridge into shorter ones and new triangles. From the outside it looks like I pulled so hard I made new particles, but really the fabric just turned your would-be rip into extra closed loops. The same idea gives a different story for collider jets. When you slam quarks together at huge energies, you overdrive a narrow color tube, and the repair waves trapped inside get kicked into a wildly excited pattern along a few tension paths. They don't fly across the detector as clean beams of free gluons. They barely travel before the tension C forces them to cash out into mesons and baryons, which show up as sprays of hadrons raining into the detector along those paths. In this picture, CD's math can still be right about where energy goes, but particle exchange is just a convenient shorthand. Gluons are high-energy texture waves on color bridges. The strong force is the rule, no open tension gaps. And jets are the scorch marks left when those waves explode into ordinary particles instead of letting the fabric tear. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.